Hey yo, web traveler, today we're opening another Bleach box, because let's be honest, now that we have to wait another half year probably for a new season of Bleach, we need to find more Bleach in our lives, right? Because yeah, the season is amazing that is currently airing or stopped airing, whatever. And to open this box, I obviously need my Bankai, so there we go. Are you prepared for some cringe shit? Because I'm not, but I'm still gonna do it. Stanley knife. Okay, sorry. God damn it. It's a really precise Bankai, so you really need to take your time with it, which I'm gonna do. Bleach box, is it magnetic? How does it work? Is it like foop? Is it foop? It is foop. Okay, it is foop. Ooh, there's a sneaky promo pack right there. I haven't expected that. Do we start with the promo pack? Nah, we start with the normal one, normal pack, and then we start with the promo pack. Let's pull the packs out, let's get the box away, and let's get on it. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate your help, like, comment, or subscribing to me. Let's get to it. First pack is, okay, they are not thick cards. I expected them to be, but they are not. And yes, we have those dudes. Oh, goddamn, bro! Goddamn, Renji, right? I think his name is Renji. Well, fucking correct me if I'm wrong, but that's some sexy move right there, man. Yeah, I need to have some time alone with this card. What is the back looking? There's Bleach. Yeah, okay, all right. Ultra rare right away. Oh, they start with SSR, but it's just like normal looking card. Okay, bro. Ultra rare is looking nice. Also some texture on it. What's this? Okay, ultra rare is thicker for some reason. I don't get it. Why? Is it because you can print more beautiful shit on it? I don't know. Also, completely other back. Whatever. What's the? Okay, hey, SGR, whatever that is, looks amazing, and also a nice character, and very different back. Okay, this is big, like the other cards were, and this, okay, for real, did I just get this? Thank you, box. What the fuck? I understand they're supposed to be the whole picture, but this freaking piece sucks. What is this? Okay, before I continue, guys, there will be a link in the video description to this box. If you order from that seller, you can get one promo pack for free, so don't miss a chance. In order to get that, you need to buy a whole booster box, and then after that, message the seller, code tcgcomrade, and then he will ship one free promo pack with the box, especially for you. And now let's see what the hell did I got. There's a Bleach promo pack. Okay, that's nice. Haven't had that before. There are even two cards. Which one is better? What do you think? They look different. This one is okay, whatever. Just flip. What the fuck? 3D Bleach card. Freaking amazing. This looks epic. Okay, cool. But what's the other one? This is my ex. Okay. Couldn't even finish the joke. Nice. I mean, that's one of my favorite characters for no particular reason, but I really like this promo packs. God damn, son, I need more of this. So yeah, link will be in the video description. Don't miss this promo pack, because it is fire. Holy shit. Okay, let's continue with our opening and see what we've got. I also forgot all the freaking names of the characters, because it's been a long time since I watched Bleach. So I know you, but I can't remember you. Those are spoilers, by the way, so yeah, whatever. I can't remember who the fuck this is. It's just fucking... What? That's just some random anime dude, man. What's some Bleach about it? Okay. Can we make up what the fuck this is? Oh, that's Bankai of Ichigo. Yeah, that's his Bankai. The piece that I had in the previous pack, you can tell if it's from the same picture. It might be freaking not. Oh, that's it, by the way. Oh, that's the last piece? Man, I got lucky with the first pack. Okay, yeah, let's continue, I guess, with some Bleach opening. Let's go. Okay, we have first clan? No, it's not a clan. What the fuck, squad? What the whatever. You know who they are. Hey, we know who they are and what those are. Fuck yeah. Hey, okay. Look, that's some epic drip, my man. There's really okay. Well, now I know that I probably have now 3 different pieces of a whole picture. Because I don't think this will go together. I think it will. I just hope I can get at least one more epic card. Like something like this, because that was amazing. We have the whole gang here. Very cool, very nice. Yes, another squad. Look at her, so cute. Okay. And then, okay. Is it the same pattern? Nope. Is it different shit? Come on, man. How many do you think I can complete with one box? Yeah, obviously, we can't complete with one box, but how many boxes do I need to buy to complete 4 freaking different pictures? Man, that's greedy. Don't be like that. You don't have to be like that. Come on. Why I struggle so much. Yes, the OG gang with the old animation style. Love it. Yeah, cute. I really love this ultra rare. That's cool. That's nice. Okay, do we have something? What the fuck is this? What? Oh wait, I maybe know what this is. Is this like Ichigo hollow form? This what I'm seeing? Probably. Another one to complete. Yes, give me more of that, please. Don't tell me each freaking pack contains one of these pieces and then like you need to buy 9 boxes to complete it. Given that you will not get E11 double, which you probably will. Okay, we have the bad guys from a new season. Yes, you. Yes, of course. Okay. Like, that's fine, but I like this kind of ultra rares more. And then we have another piece, which goes with the first one that I got. Okay, so there's not a different freaking picture in each pack. There's... Okay, that's from a movie, I believe. Yeah, I watched it. I can't remember shit about it. It looks epic. And yes, very nice boys right there. Okay, some cyberpunk vibes, I don't know why. And then we have Senbon Sakura, another one, the one that I don't have enough whole pictures to complete. Oh, you know, it's something with this box. We have you. Oh, wait, is it like that kid, but then that kid right there, the ice one, but then like when he grows up, probably that's cool. Okay, sure. Ichigo's eye, I get it. Hell yeah, one of my favorite characters. I like it. Very nice, thank you so much. We have Ichigo head, but from what picture will he be? I think it matches these colors, but I don't think it will work. I think that's a whole other picture. Because I don't have enough of them. Let's go. How many can we get? Yeah, some girls. Let's go. Ooh, some ties. Let's go. Who the fuck are they? Oh, that's from a new thing. Yeah, I haven't read the manga, so I don't know what will happen. Don't spoil me. And then we have a beautiful boy, and then we have another picture, because I don't have enough of them to complete. Let's go. Okay, last pack. It feels thicker, but probably my imagination. A first double, which is okay. The second double, no, we haven't seen you. Yeah, there's a special card. We have seen you. And oh boy, look at that. It's also thick, very thick. Yeah, that's a cool card. That's a very cool card. Looking hella nice. So this was the Bleach box. If you love those pieces that you can connect in one whole picture, then it is definitely box for you. As for me, I really enjoyed it. There's some very epic cards in it, and this promo pack was just freaking... That was the best promo pack that I ever opened. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more. See you in another one. Well, travelers.